immediately after the question of Congressman Lord Dansuan. Just to zero in on the issue of why it took for the district police to create the Special Investigation Task Force. Kasi doon po yung nag-intriga sa akin. Tama po ba, I will not discuss anything about your affidavit, Colonel. Just want to ask you straight questions, and I hope you will not invoke your right against self-incrimination. Now, is it correct that when the Barayuga murder happened, that was during your time as the chief of the Mandaluyong City Police?
Yes, Your Honor.
And immediately after, when the murder took place on the same day, you all immediately conducted an investigation. Is it correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And sino yung head ng investigative team na ito? Kasi parang hindi ho kayo, sabi niyo po sa committee ito ay hindi kayo yung directly na nag-imbestiga, but you rather form a team and you had assigned or delegated someone in your office or in your police district to handle the investigation. Tama po ba? Sino yun?
No, Your Honor. It is the duty investigation because we are on a duty basis, Your Honor. Every day there is a duty investigator to be available in any incident happen to respond for that.
So makatuwid, you're in the office, you ordered, and there's a duty investigation, meaning sila yung nag-respond doon sa crime scene, sila yung nag-collect ng mga, kung ano man yung mga ebidensya na makokolekta nila. You mentioned also about CCTV, at sila yung gumawa ng report na yon at binigay sa iyo. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. It was the duty SDO, Your Honor, to make a report to the district, Your Honor, because we are on a hierarchy, Your Honor.
No. I'm asking you, Colonel, from the very start, gusto ko lang maintindihan yung regular process of investigation. So nangyari itong krimen, pak, pinatay. Nakita natin yung video,
yes,
di ba?
Sir.
May bumarel na may assailant unidentified, di ba? So, pumunta doon yung mga tao mo, sila yung nagkolekta, I don't know, pumunta ba ang SOCO, nagkolekta sila ng mga ebidensya, and then yung kinakolekt nila, nireport nila, sinubmit nila sa'yo. Tama ba yung aking pagkakaintindi yung proseso?
The spot report, Your Honor, is given to the duty SDO, Your Honor.
Okay, so the spot report, hindi pa tapos yan, hindi pa conclusive, hindi ba?
Only relevant information, the 5W and 1H, Your Honor.
Oo. And
then immediately, it will be sent through to the operation of the district.
Not
unit.
Directly to you?
No, Your Honor.
Why?
Because we have some delegated officer that time, Your Honor, responsible to send the report, Your Honor.
So in terms of hierarchy, Mr. Chair, just want to be clarified. In terms of hierarchy, you're the chief of Mandaluyong City Police.
Yes, Your Honor.
Before it reaches a much higher level, it has to go pass through your office, hindi ba?
Minsan kasi, Your Honor, pagka chief of police ka, Your Honor, you have to supervise only. There is a duty SDO and a duty investigator. So sila yung nag-aano po ng report, Your Honor, and they just inform me about the incident. But at that time, Your Honor, I was there also in the incident. So just to read on the report being submitted, to be submitted to the district level.
So do you mean to say that all of the murder cases that are being investigated ay nagka-create sila ng Special Investigation Task Force na diretso sila sa district na hindi na sila pupunta sa'yo? Is that what you're telling us?
Hindi naman lahat ng murder cases, Your Honor, nagkakaroon ng SITG.
So what made the Barayuga case?
Because
did you request for the creation of Special Investigative Task Force? Because I don't, medyo nahihirapan kong intindihin kasi kayo po yung police chief, hindi ba? So everything that happens in your territory or area of jurisdiction, it must pass through to you before it reaches a much higher level.
Yes,
Tama
Your
po.
Honor.
Is that,
yes, Your Honor.
Tama po yung aking
Yes,
pagkakaintindi. No. Itong Barayuga murder case, supposedly, ang frontline, of course, I give it to you, ang pupunta talaga dyan ay yung mga unang magre-responde, mag-iimbestiga. Diba? Hindi naman necessarily ang police mismo, chief of police, kasi sa laki ng area of jurisdiction mo, hindi naman lahat ng barangay dyan or kung saan mismo nangyari ang murder, halimbawa, yung crime of sin, pupuntahan mo, tama po yun, hindi naman hukaya yun.
Yes,
That's why
Your
you have to delegate.
Yes.
Now, but, before it reaches the level of, say, for example, district office, it must pass through to you. Di
Yes,
ba?
Your Honor. Yes,
Tama.
Your Honor.
So, yun ang gusto kong maintindihan. Is this a regular occurrence? Like every murder case, meron ay nagka-create kayo ng special investigation task force?
May determination, Your Honor.
Okay, what are the determination? What made
involving-
this Barayuga case so unique in a sense that it has to create a special investigation task force? Because, Mr. Chairman, to me, the impression is that parang it was taken from you, the investigation. So what made the Barayuga murder case a special case for the district level to take jurisdiction over the investigation of this case?
On our PNP manual, Your Honor, there is a qualification in order for a case to be or subjected to SITG. That time, it is a government official and a high profile yung naging victim ng crime.
Is it also part of the reason why the much higher hierarchy or office to take over doon sa mga cases of investigation when there's also say for example an allegation or anything na remiss o na overlook na hindi nila mabigyan or hindi i-allow or hindi i-continue yung isang mas mababang opisina kasi something about the investigation may be remiss. That's why a much superior or much higher office needs to take over. Di ba isa yun sa mga requirement o criteria na minimension mo?
Yung nangyari po, Your Honor, is kami lang sana nagagawa, dapat gumawa ng investigation. But pinalaki natin pinabroad natin yung mga magiging involved dun sa paggandak na investigation, kaya nagkaroon tayo na SITG. Hindi rin inalisan kami ng function dun sa We also a member of the SITG, Your Honor.
So what was...
Dinagdagan lang yung composition para mapabilis po yung pagkandak ng investigation, kasama na yung CIDG, para magkaroon ng consolidated effort na ma-resolve po yung kaso, Your Honor.
So what was your initial investigation, your report, before the Special Investigation Task Force was created? Did you have?
We submitted the investigation report that we have, initial investigation report and the progress report that we have to the district level, Your Honor, to the D7 or the District Investigation Detection Management Unit. Kasi sila na yung nagko-collate po ng lahat ng report coming from those members of the SITG. Kunyari, nakakuha sila ng report dun sa SOCO, isa-submit din ng SOCO yung report dun sa investigation, co-collate din, magka-come up ng nagmi-meeting ho yan, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Every time
okay.
there will be a meeting. So, kung ano yung ng member, pag nung chairman ng SITG, he'll just, the Chief of Police, Colonel Graldo, you conduct to follow up on this matter. CIDG, you follow up on this. Then, every week, we have this meeting for us to sum up with to analyze on to assess on the reports that being gathered by different units in that time, Your Honor.
So, your initial investigation in your report, yung progress report, so I presume when you use the term progress, ibig sabihin, it's an evolving investigation, hindi ba? Your initial report, you submitted to the TG, I'm sorry. Was there any portion of your initial report that was changed?
No, Your Honor. It is approved initially by the IOC and the chief investigation to my level. Then isasubmit namin yung report na na gather nila, then it will be received properly by the IDM. Kung ano yung sinubmit, in toto po yun, Your Honor. Kung ano yung content ng yun din ang report na nandun sa kanila, Your Honor.
So the succeeding investigation as a follow-up complemented your initial report. Yun ba yung gusto niyong sabihin sa komite? That nothing was changed? Nothing was even improved on?
Hindi ho tayo immediately, Your Honor, na magkukulod kasi nga we could not file a case unless it is airtight,
No,
Your
before
Honor.
tayo mag-file, what I'm asking you is that your initial report that you have arrived at as a product and a result of your immediate investigation of the murder in the
Yes,
in the scene of the crime,
Yes, Your Honor.
was there any portion of there that was improved or changed?
Hindi ho kami hindi namin binabago yung
No. I'm asking about, kasi progress siya, di ba? So it could be, mayroon bang na-amend? Okay, I'll use the word na lang na-amend or na-improve. Was there any portion of